Baby Bum Brush, Original Diaper Rash Cream Applicator, by Baby Bum Brush is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. Baby Bum Co. products are invented by a mom who understands how heartbreaking it is when your little one is experiencing any discomfort or pain. Help soothe your baby's diaper rash with the Baby Bum Co. Diaper Rash Applicator. This unique diaper rash brush will help you gently apply ointment, paste, moisturizer, or healing cream to your baby's bottom. The cream will go on smoother, thicker, and faster when you utilize the genius design of the manufacturer's applicator. To use the brush, you apply a generous amount of cream to the brush face. Then, gently brush it on your baby's butt. Wipe the brush clean with an antibacterial wipe. Additionally, you can boil the brush in hot water or toss in the dishwasher to sterilize it as needed. The brush is made from soft, smooth, flexible silicone that will feel gently on your baby's delicate skin. The silicone is BPA-free and toxin-free for your little one's safety. It is also compliant with California Proposition 65. This brush features a suction cup base that will allow it to stand upright on any surface. The manufacturer's diaper rash brush is especially useful if you don't like the smell of cream on your hands or getting it stuck under your nails. It will also reduce accidentally scratching your baby. Add this cool brush to a gift set or your basket at a baby shower since it's the perfect present new moms. It's also perfect for nannies. This brush can be used for both baby boys and girls. Give your baby the best by adding this diaper cream applicator to your baby skincare supplies today. Gentle for boy and girl baby skin, the manufacturer invented the Baby Bum Brush to gently apply ointment to my own little one's sensitive skin. Diaper cream creates a thick barrier for protecting sensitive skin and healing a diaper rash. Keep your fingers clean from diaper cream with the original mom-invented Baby Bum Brush. Soft, flexible silicone. The Baby Bum Brush is made of pure soft flexible silicone and is safe and gentle on sensitive skin. The silicone is BPA-free and completely toxin-free to help ensure your infant's health and safety. This product is also compliant with California Proposition 65. Give your baby relief from diaper rash or eczema. Cleaner diaper cream application. Diaper cream goes on smoother, thicker, and faster with the manufacturer's incredible diaper rash spatula. Simply scoop a generous amount of cream onto the brush, then rub it on your baby's butt. Once the cream thoroughly covers your baby's bottom, wipe the brush clean with an antibacterial wipe. You can use it for boys and girls. Convenient suction cup base. Spreading diaper cream with your fingers becomes even messier when babies are wiggly during a diaper change. The handy suction cup base allows you to quickly stand the brush upright on any flat surface. This way you won't get diaper cream all over your baby dresser. Small and portable, this brush measures at about 6.25 inches, making it the perfect size for travel. It's large enough to get to the bottom of your favorite diaper cream jar. Use with any of your favorite moisturizer barrier cream. Just toss in your diaper bag and go. Its suction cup base will secure to any flat surface, perfect for public restrooms when you need to change your baby's diaper. The head of the applicator will never touch the changing station tray thanks to the firm suction base.